Hey guys, it's Teacher Dad. Today I'm going to talk about an experiment that we did in chemistry class, and perhaps you've already seen this experiment conducted on another YouTube channel somewhere. But today we're going to be doing the Coca-Cola and butane rocket experiment. So I'm going to demonstrate and show you some of the things that we did. We used both a 16-ounce container as well as a 2-liter bottle. I know it's been done with some much bigger containers, but we started here. And I'll be going over a little bit of the science involved since I am a science teacher, so hopefully that is interesting to you as well. And so here you go, take a look at what we did today. Okay, so first of all, as I said, we will be taking the liquid butane and adding it to our container. Don't try this at home, folks. Okay, it is now stuck to my tie. Alright, the next thing we need to do is to remove some of the Coca-Cola. Alright, so now observe, you pour out the Coke, or drink the Coke, down to about the red line or slightly below. The amount that is left varies depending on the particular experience you want to have. Now, next thing that you will do is we will pour in about a half to a quarter of an inch of liquid butane on top of the Coca-Cola.
Are you recording now?
Yes, you should probably want to record now. Okay. So for the camera, you can observe the liquid in the top.
Whoa! Ah!
It's very cold on your hand. You have to pour it slowly because there's a gas that comes off of the top and it doesn't let the liquid go down in fast enough, so it makes it bubble.
Whoa! Whoa! Nelly!
So I'm basically going to go over a little bit of the science behind what is involved. So you're all familiar with phase changes, something changing from a solid to a liquid to a gas. And the volume of that substance changes dramatically from one of those phase changes to the next. So here what we have is liquid butane being put into the container of Coca-Cola. Now what is happening is if you look out the top of the bottle, you'll see that there is a gas that's constantly coming out of the top of the bottle. So it's it's instantly changing from liquid to gas. This is because its boiling point is much lower than room temperature. Its boiling point is around 31 degrees. And so, therefore, it is constantly changing to a gas. Now, if you put the cap on the bottle, you'll see that it stops boiling because it equalizes, similar to what you would have in a little butane lighter. And under pressure, it's able to maintain a constant level of pressure. But when you screw the top back off of the bottle, it starts to boil and that gas continues coming out the top. When you invert the bottle upside down, all of a sudden, a whole bunch of that liquid comes in contact with the warmer Coca-Cola in the bottle. And this causes a lot of liquid to instantly change to a gas. So now you have all of this gas that's changing from a liquid in the top of this container, but the Coca-Cola is between the gas and the opening. Now, if there was too much liquid to press out through the bottom of the container, you would have an explosion. However, with the level of Coca-Cola that's in the containers, usually all that it does is eject the Coca-Cola out the bottom of the bottle and sends off like a rocket. I saw someone else do this experiment and they upscaled this using a much larger bottle, a lot more Coca-Cola and a lot more butane. It only went a couple of feet and then the entire bottle exploded, sending shards of plastic everywhere. So you want to be very careful if you conduct this experiment on your own, because there is that possibility. Always use safety goggles and remember that, make sure that there's an adult present. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video and we'll see you again next time.